Hey guys, it's been a while since my last video, and I've been wanting to do this video for a while because nobody else has been doing this. How to make a laptop. Yeah, you might go on YouTube sometime and try to find something like that, but it's always like sped up or something like that. Now this is not how to make a laptop from scratch, but it's how to make a laptop from non-scratch. So right now, and this is going to be a 4-part mini series in the whole entire online shopping reviews. So right here, right now, I got this from Amazon. See this thing? See? From Amazon. And now I'm gonna open this up. Should be the master of this by now, but for some reason I'm not. Okay, here it is. Here's the battery for this thing, which is going to be very important. And the one that I'm making right now is the C700. Okay, let's just pop it in there. And then, there you go. C700 in there, like a goose. Turn it around. This is also a compact computer, and here's what it looks like right now. You can see my face. Oh no, face reveal. I know, it's very weird, but if you see my older videos, you know I would do face reveals. Here also is what the logo looks like. And now, what I need to do will be the software part of it. The RAM part. This is the RAM. Well, and also the hard drive, which I will be getting the hard drive. Okay? So, bye guys. See you later. Hope you enjoyed that video, how to make a laptop. And see ya. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below on how do you think you can make a laptop from scratch. I don't know how yet, but maybe I'll do a video on it. And just leave a like if you like this. Bye. Bye.